On June 15, 2020, this 2 days ago, Monday, the Dow extended its loss to 760 points lower before rebounding to close up 150 points higher on the day. That's why I said to check the pre-market because it will move fast. And it did move fast. Hope the bears covered their short positions quickly. I also mentioned that last Monday, the pros, the institutions and or the government was in control, so the public would not be able to maneuver in and out as desired. Well, June 15th, Monday was no different because the market moved on a virus scare. And what brought it back was Jay Powell saying, okay, I'm going to buy the bonds, the corporate bonds. That brought it back up. I did say that there will be a scare tactic. That was the coronavirus too. And that's why the market fell. Then the Fed announces that it will be buying corporate bonds. That's why the market made a sharp turn upward, 760 points. That was fast and furious. That's why I said, don't get caught on the wrong side. You now see who the players are. I'm recording this video on Tuesday. I think it's now 11:43 p.m. June 16th, when the Dow was up over 800 points intraday and paired its close up 526 at 26,289. S&P at 3,174 and NASDAQ at 9,895. If you listen to this week's video, bulls shift reversal, I said that Tuesday is an unfavorable day for initiating long positions, and I'm talking to swing traders or traders who took their trades overnight or for a few days. You may be catching a falling knife is what I said it there. I'm looking at the extended hours and reading CNBC report. It says stock futures fall following rally in the previous session, which is Tuesday, May 16th. I guess this fall is caused by resurgence in coronavirus case that hit Beijing, and they ordered school closure. See how iffy this market is. Fed Chairman Powell was accommodative yesterday about the bond buying, but sounds like he could be backtracking too. I've been saying all along that there will be an infrastructure project, and President Trump announced it today and took the market higher this afternoon. But tomorrow may be a different story. That's why I named the video Reversal. The semiconductors reversing, look at NVIDIA. The favorite of traders. Retail stocks are also reversing because they were the ones that led the rally with double-digit numbers. The market is clearly reversing and buying the sectors mentioned in this week's video. Expect reversals. Bull market still in operation. This is Market Astrology and Horoscope. Pretty good, huh? My mission is to educate you on American astrology. I developed this system to help the small traders win. Now, let's move to next week. Mercury is about to retrograde, so it will affect trading, and I could overlook or make an error somewhere. Please excuse me. This happens when Mercury retrogrades. Let's get started. Monday, look to what happened on Friday and watch the pre-market. President Trump would have delivered an emotionally moving speech at the Tulsa rally if it happens. I think he appealed to the people who are now worried about their safety and their immediate future. Physical, survival. Those are the topics in their mind. If the rally gets canceled, then look to the currency market, the dollar. the mortgage market, or emotionally stirring news possibly involving our neighboring countries that could change the course of the trading day. I think the morning session is confusingly good. We are still experiencing meat shortages also. So have you looked at the commodity futures? Watch the metals, the metals like gold and silver. I hope a lot of you are now catching on where I'm going with this. It's largely about the dollar, so watch what is happening in the currency market. Yes, others would like to remove the dollar from the oil equation or just bypass the dollar, but the commodity is still in dollar terms. The market is irrational because traders aren't guided by cool intellect. Why? Because Mercury is about to go, or would be, in retrograde motion. Still, I'm bullish on oil. Maybe there are news on virus containment that is causing the markets to feel good. Whatever the news, it could be a rumor, a gossip, it could be, it's ephemeral, existentialism. Perhaps because there could be hard facts to face in the extended hours. Buy a put or sell a call or put a strong collar on that puppy so it doesn't get out of hand. Make sure you got it on a short leash. If you are not careful, the loss could get out of hand. It could be very big. I'm talking about after the close, the extended hours. On Tuesday, you could be faced with another downturn in the morning session and a buy on dip in the afternoon, just like last Monday or the Monday before that. I'll just call it a dipping session or cover your short session. Regardless, it would be a good move if you cover them. On Wednesday, although not a lot can be expected, you will likely have to settle for less than expected. The market is now in somewhat of a corrective mood due to heavy speculation. Both bulls and bears are waiting to see if the limit has been hit. Maybe all the stops got taken out. On Thursday, I am quite weary. I think the market even opens in a corrective zone, and of course the shorts will cover and have made a good trade in some a very successful one. However, I caution all traders to check and recheck because there is, again, a strong possibility that you might have to settle for less than expected. It's very likely that some will have to make some adjustments to orders, whether they are stops, limits, market, or glitches, like computer glitches or information glitches or whatever that gets in the way. To the Bitcoin traders, although I'm not fully confident of my reading on this right now, because Mercury is retrograde, I expect a move, and I've been expecting a move. If it moves in a big way today, I would expect it to start trading more rapidly. And if it doesn't move much today, then the move should start in about a week or so. I am watching to see how it behaves. Then I can go further with it on predicting its move. I expect an unexpected move together with the fintechs. If it doesn't happen, say, today, or on Thursday, or the week after. It would be then the week after that, or not so much the week after that. It would be next week because it continues on to July. So we're getting close. On Friday, the market could be shifting to semiconductors, energy, defense, the defense contractors, construction, and commodities such as metals like gold and silver. Take a close look at the currencies, especially the dollar. Academics like Stephen Roach has predicted or asserted that dollar's crash is inevitable. If you've watched the solar eclipse June 21st video, I am not pessimistic about the dollar. Astrologically, the U.S.'s best feature is wealth. Money, food, water, homes, name the best assets that you can come up with. It's got it. The birth chart of the U.S. shows a highly endowed nation. To both bulls and bears, some gotta win, some gotta lose. So good luck, and please hit that like button so I can get ranked higher in the search. I also appreciate your comments, so give me an idea of what you would like to hear. Thank you very much.